Today we are gonna be exploring all the programming languages I made. This is Vige for GUI developing. Let's open this terminal. So, example. Let's say if you want to make an basic app, you have to do this parenthesis so you can see all the functions. And here are some basic ones. Like this is same as quite same as my programming language from before, but it's much more cleaner. Like let's say click 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 click, you click the button. This is text, so nothing will happen. I'll explain you. This is the BYG, the background, basically. This is the window. This is the word hello as the title, the width and height, and the button, then the action, which can draw text, and it can also the width and height. You click the button, on click, button 1, you gave it the identify name, done. And you can give a label, like label 1, then hello world, like that. To give you an example, let's do, also there's 150 widgets. Like also, I also have some examples. Can't wait for. I've also some examples. Let's not worry about right now. You can go to itch.io to get these Python programming languages when you want. Also, you can go type widgets to see every widget. Look how many widgets are there. So we'll be looking at some, let's say, error box. In error box, basically sometimes you might get some things like you have to do brackets, obviously. Let's say the error box. What's the text, everyone? Let's say hello or hi. Let's do hi and follow the syntax. And so, what's the win? 10. Nah, too small. 20, comma, 60. Let's say bracket. Done. Only one argument. So, sometimes it can get really weird. Look, one personal argument. Let's say now. Oh yeah, we forgot to define the window. Guys, sorry. If this video at least gets 4 likes, if this video gets 4 likes, or 5, I'm gonna look. Look, guys, your first window in my programming language. You can also do a notification. Let's say in the notification, what to say? Let's say, hi. Hi. It's a notification. Look. Evoke. You need a label first. So you can't evoke it. You need a label name. Maybe it takes 2 languages. Maybe it takes 2 arguments. Look, I told you it takes only 1 argument. I'm testing you out. I'm testing you guys. Let's go. Look, it can't evoke it. Because I need to set it up first. But sorry. Let's say you can do nav buttons. This looks like a good one, but no. Let's say draw an oval. Yeah, drawing an oval will be good. Let's go bracket. What size? 10, maybe 30. It can also guess stuff like my old programming language did. No canvas 12. You need a canvas first. So let's get in. Canvas. Nah. We're done, guys, with this one. Do you want to, guys? Now let's do a 3D programming. Let's get to some game developing. Let's get to some game developing now. I gave it very weird names. Index. So everyone, look at all the code you can do. Look at everything else you can do. So we have to do game.start to start the window. To start, let's create this. Let's go. I haven't really done some. Yep, let's create a sprite, which is a circle. You don't really have to do the color input. You have to do the X and Y, obviously. 0. The radius can be, let's say, 12. Name can be at name. Look, we forgot something, guys. So, here's a quick start for all of you fantastic people who are watching our videos. For all of you fantastic people who are watching our videos. Enter. Look. The color can be orange or something like that. We don't have to really enable physics. Let's add physics. Look. We really don't have to enable physics. But we can add 4. We can't add force because we haven't enabled physics. Okay. Escape, it ends the game, and game.start. Game start. Look at these guys. Wait. That takes a very long time. That takes a long time. Not responding. I don't really care. We got an error, but guys, sorry. Auto mode, this is the best one out of all. Let's say, not game.start. We can do say, you guessed it, let's say, my channel name, Codiel. Heard that, guys? Heard it? No, you didn't? You might have not, so can have some help looking. Say Codiel, so let's go. Also, we have some very cool example scripts. Cool ones. Like if you want to see, this reprogramming language is really useful. You can print the temperature of our system. You can say your heading temp 25 degrees. That's absolutely right. It basically gestures. Gestures are like when it shakes, face up, face down, face right, and on. Also, we can also do very cool stuff like give inputs. Hi, 12. So we got our name 12. Just a random name. Print volume. Let's see, a volume. Yeah, when it's too big, it does that. -1. When it's 100, it does that. So like if I'm at 99, it'll do 80. Then you just add 1 to know the real volume. And you can play WAV files or MP3 files. You can play music. Let's say enter. Saw that, guys? Did you like it, guys? Yep. Kind of terrifying. Yeah, kind of terrifying. If this video at least gets 4 subscribers, let's create a meme, guys, with the comments. Let's create a meme, guys, with the comments. Let's say you can... Wait, you can draw stuff in this programming language too. We can also do a grid. Like custom grid. Like, 1 is a filled space, and this, it puts it on top of each other. Like 1 is a filled space, 0 is not. Let's change it to this. Like a smooth criminal. If you love Michael Jackson, comment too. And let's say 1. Let's see what this does. Look at the grid we made. Guys, get this video 9 subscribers. Or 4. It's better. We can also define the one you have been waiting for, 3D game development. You might be wondering why you're going so lame. Because surprises come at end. So wait, guys. Just wait for a second. I need to charge my PC. And also comment about what type of meme should we create. And I will also create a video of what the first comment says. A video about the first comment. Also, we got a first comment. We'll do a shout out tomorrow of who comments and who helped make the memes. So, go down, draw a grid. So now we can also, these are the volumes. You can change the volumes. You can do open a window, set the brightness. Let's set our brightness in a scale. Look, there isn't any modules that can help, so sorry. Now, this is the best one part of the all. 3D game development. 3D game development useful languages. 13. Look, these are all the examples we can have, but 12 are the complete scripts. So I'll also explain you guys. This creates the window and you can give the name and the size and the width. The sphere equals sun, like that. You can change the color to gold size. Earth name, the X and Y and Z axis, blue size. Moon, like that. Guys, let's change. Let's all of this go. Let's go back. So, game start. Look, it guesses the. Look, it basically writes down the other line at the top of it, or it saves it. Game start this time. Go space. Look. Ignore these render errors. They're just a sign that it says it's running. It counts every nanosecond. Look. It's already. This is the best one out of all. So I will quickly go. Also ignore these so far. Let's go. Let's say index to get it back. Let's so we can do some examples. 11 changing properties. We love changing properties. Look, these are the x and y axis, the size, the color. These are the main properties, and also we can do. Well, for more scripts, I'll put this on itch.io if everyone wants. If anyone wants the game. If anyone wants it. Not here. You have to go enter. Then here, okay, guys? So look here. W A S E or arrow keys. Space will make it jump. It'll just make it go up. So, guys, have you learned anything about my programming language? If you want an explanation of this code, I can I can help you and can give you the explanation when you want it. Now, so if you want a quiz guys, you can maybe comment it. And also, what were the 3 things I said to comment? First is let's create a meme. Okay? Second is let's say me your favorite Michael Jackson song. And third is guys, the third is actually going to be let's say create a quiz for everyone, and I will like every comment I get. Okay? That I can.